Okay, this is Irmgard Wall. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, tell me about what...
Okay, this is the older orthotic that we sent back to have another one replaced. And if you look at it, it has the arch and it has an indent here, according to the mold of my foot. That if you take this, the new one they created, I don't have that indentation that's there, and I don't have the arch part here, so consequently I slide right off because of the level of this. So if I put this down,
This is the old one.
Right, that's the old one, and I stand on this, my foot has support and it doesn't slide off. Should I stay on it longer? Okay. When I put the new one down and I step on this and I go, it has no support and I totally slide off the orthotics because I don't have the arch or the grip that this one has. If you notice, I can stand on this, I do not slide off.
So show me
again slide off.
Show me again what you think has to be done differently.
What has to be done is they have to do what they did here and get my the imprint that you had from my foot. I need to have the arch and this indentation here more than what they did here. They just came out flat. They have a little bit here, but it's too far over.
Show me the orthotic from the side, both of them.
Okay, from the side?
And the other side.
All right.
This side.
This side? Yeah.
Right in here?
See, oops, maybe if you went this way, you could see it more. See how this goes? Versus this one here is more filled in here.